In a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young girl named Mei-Ling. Mei-Ling was known throughout the village for her kindness and her love of nature. She would often spend her days exploring the forests and meadows around her home, marveling at the beauty of the world around her. One day, while out on a walk, Mei-Ling came across a wounded bird lying on the ground. The bird had a broken wing and couldn't fly. Mei-Ling took pity on the bird and decided to take it home with her. Over the next few weeks, Mei-Ling nursed the bird back to health. She fed it, tended to its wounds, and kept it warm and safe in a little box in her room. As the bird began to recover, Mei-Ling grew more and more attached to it. She would spend hours talking to it, telling it all of her hopes and dreams. One day, Mei-Ling woke up to find that the bird had flown away. She was heartbroken, but she knew that it was for the best. The bird belonged in the wild, not cooped up in a little box in her room. Years went by, and Mei-Ling grew up to be a wise and compassionate woman. She never forgot the lesson she learned from that little bird, and she spent the rest of her life caring for the world around her and spreading love wherever she went. And though she never saw the bird again, she knew that it was still out there somewhere, soaring through the skies and spreading its own kind of magic.